Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Maxima's trunk with a dead battery. First, locate your intelligent key and slide out the concealed mechanical key. Some Maxima models have a traditional keyhole on the trunk lid itself. Insert the mechanical key and turn it to the left or right to manually release the latch. This method bypasses the electronic system entirely, allowing direct access. If a mechanical key doesn't work or isn't available, you can often access the trunk from inside the vehicle. First, fold down your rear seats. Many Maxima models have a release mechanism for the rear seats, sometimes a small keyhole or a lever. Once the seats are down, carefully crawl into the trunk space. Look for the emergency release handle, which is typically yellow or orange and glows in the dark. Pull this handle to open the trunk. When the battery is completely dead, the electronic trunk release won't function. You can temporarily restore power by jump-starting the vehicle. Connect the positive jumper cable to the positive terminal under the hood, usually a designated jump point. Attach the negative cable to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis. Once power is supplied, try using the electronic trunk release button on your key fob or inside the cabin. Before attempting any of these methods, ensure the trunk release cancel switch, often found in the glove box, is in the off position. This security feature can prevent the trunk from opening electronically. Also, inspect the trunk latch for any debris or obstructions that might be preventing it from releasing. If your battery frequently dies, it's wise to have it tested or replaced to avoid future inconvenience. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for model-specific instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.